Welcome back to our channel. This isn't your average sports car or just another luxury convertible. It's the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL680, a 577 horsepower statement piece costing over $250,000. Maybach took the ferocious AMG SL63 and aimed to tame it, transforming a speed demon into a world-class grand tourer. But can ultimate comfort still deliver an open-air thrill? Let's find out. While it shares the muscular DNA of the AMG SL, the Maybach treatment is all about distinction. Gone is the aggressive AMG Grille, replaced by a delicate, illuminated one with a Maybach wordmark. It sits on massive 21-inch forged wheels, including a retro-inspired monoblock design. The real showstopper is the soft top. It retracts in 15 seconds, but its extra insulation and woven Maybach pattern keep the cabin whisper quiet. It's a rolling VIP lounge with infinite headroom. Inside, the sporty AMG cabin is gone, replaced by a universe of luxury. The interior is wrapped in exquisite Nappa leather with intricate hand stitching, accented by rose gold and polished steel. Tech is centered on an 11.9-inch MBUX touchscreen with Maybach graphics. Comfort is mandatory, with massaging seats and the airscarf system to warm your neck. In a bold move, Maybach removed the rear seats, creating a dedicated two-passenger layout with a fixed parcel shelf. So how does it drive? Under the hood is the same handcrafted 4-liter twin-turbo V8 from the AMG SL63, making an identical 577 horsepower. It hits 0-60 in around 4 seconds. But the numbers don't tell the full story. Maybach engineers traded the AMG's raw edge for sublime comfort by retuning the suspension and adding extensive sound deadening. In the Maybach drive mode, the car transforms. The throttle is smooth and the suspension makes bumps disappear. It glides, creating a serene experience worlds away from its aggressive sibling. Unique details define the experience, like the hundreds of Maybach logos found everywhere from the hood to the puddle lamps. The exhaust note is another key feature. While the engine is pure AMG, the exhaust was tuned to be quieter. It delivers a powerful but dignified rumble rather than an aggressive roar whispering its presence. But what are the trade-offs? All that luxury adds about 400 pounds. That makes it nearly a second slower to 60 mph than the SL63 with a lower top speed of 161 mph. This is a high-speed cruiser, not a track weapon. Then there's the price. Starting north of $225,000, it carries a massive premium for a car that's technically less performant. So can a car built for comfort still thrill? The Maybach SL680 answers with a refined yes. It reshapes the SL63 from a hardcore sports car into a sublime grand tourer. This isn't for the enthusiast chasing lap times, it's for those who value serenity as much as speed. It is simply Maybach's vision of the ultimate luxury roadster.